If you are hearing this, there are two things you probably know. 1. Despite your strengths, you know you need to become better at speaking emotionally, unloading the burdens of your emotional self, and getting into the messy spaces of your psyche. And those are not easy tasks for you. 2. You know you can talk to a chaplain, 100% confidentially in a counseling session, but chaplains are short in supply and you feel like you would be burdening them at 2 a.m. when the seriousness of a need hits. To be clear, it is never a burden for a chaplain to help someone, even at 2 a.m. if the chaplain has a decent character. But what if there was a 100% confidential way to practice your emotional communication skills with someone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year? This is where Yodi comes in. Yodi is an AI application that utilizes pairs, practical application of intimate relationship skills, award-winning counseling techniques in order to facilitate conversations toward interpersonal growth. Has something in your relational past affected your current relationships that needs to be worked through so you can move forward? Try untangling a love knot. Feel like your emotions are constantly brimming over and don't feel safe discussing it with those closest to you? Try emptying the emotional jug. Need a way to jumpstart communication in your relationships after a period of stagnation? Try the daily temperature reading. Want to practice a difficult conversation with a partner in hopes of moving past a relationship hurdle? Try a fair fight for change. These are just 4 of the many interpersonal and relationship tools available for free through the Yodi app. It is available in both the Google Play and Apple Play Store. What will it cost you? Nothing but a download. What could you gain? Relief. And you are worth that. And if you don't think that is true, you should probably stop what you are doing now and download the app immediately. Learn more online at mypairscoach.com. Get started today.